Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. Next, I will put b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So because we have ds, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only y in here. So you got about number 3. This one we don't have y. So if we do first the derivative of this one, you got 0. Next, we have dy. So we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So this one we have s and you got about number 1. So we have number 3 in here. This one is same with this one and that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy. And we see that I will choose about this one. The integration of 2s, we have s squared. The integration of 3y with the s, we have 3ys. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. This one we have y, so we have number 1. And then we have 3s, and I will put about d over dy 3sy. And we know that this one is similar with this one. And now we need to simplify 3s for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of y, we have y squared over 2 and I will put about c. Now we return back to this one. So the integration of this one, we have 3sy and 3sy equals to this one in here. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c, and now we just simplify like this, and this is the final answer. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.